On our way to Virginia, I didn't know what to expect, but what the state had in store for us truly amazed me and proved to have a great time, it doesn't have to be on a private island or a popular destination. To have a great experience, it could just be on a simple state full of farms.
Virginia is awesome!
During our visit, we stopped by a really well-known place, the Shenandoah National Park. This place is a land bursting with cascading waterfalls, fields of wildflowers, beautiful mountains, and quiet, relaxing nature trails. This national park has over 200,000 acres of protected lands that are home to deer, many different birds, and black bears. We personally did not see any, and that's a good thing. Some of the nature trails that this park has are paved, and there's also some extreme hikes. The trail that we decided to go on is more of a mediocre hike. On our way, we saw many native plants and wild berries that I had to try.
Cool thing is on the way, you can actually try some raspberries. Delicious.
It took us around 1 hour to get to the end of the hike, and over there awaits this beautiful waterfall. In this park, there's also a gift shop and a gas station in the territory. We also came by the Virginia Safari Park. This experience was definitely unique. You drive up with your vehicle, grab an information booklet and a bucket full of snacks, and hold on to it tight because the animals here are quite hungry. The zoo has many types of animals, from all kinds of deers to ostriches and emus, and what kind of zoo would this be without any buffaloes? After you've completed the animal tour, you can walk around the zoo village, such as cheetahs, rhinos, giraffes, kangaroos, and many more. As all tourist destinations, this zoo has their own gift shop and fast food restaurant. Virginia is also known for caverns. One that we stopped by is called the Grand Caverns. Inside of the caves it was fairly cold, humid, and because of the lighting, it looked really cool. When exploring the caverns, you are only allowed to go where the tour guide is. The tour guide points out some unique shaped rock sculptures, like this one in particular is supposed to be an elephant, or this one's supposed to be Bob Ross. In the caverns there's also rooms, some of which had special lighting and some were even the size of a football stadium. When visiting the state, it would be a rare occasion if you didn't pass any farms, because farms here, they're just everywhere. Virginia is full of beautiful landscapes and has many exciting things to do. I had a blast visiting the state and you probably would too. Travel because it's definitely worth it.
Bye.